Hello guys, so today in this video I'll be telling you how to fix the Discord not starting problem where Discord doesn't start. You're trying to launch your Discord but it doesn't launch. So in this video I'll be telling you 3 steps to fix the issue. And so let's begin. Before doing those 3 steps, I would want you to do some 3 sub steps. Step number 1, restart your Discord. Not just close your Discord, you come here and you just quit your Discord and then restart it. Not like that. You go to the task manager and then you go to the Discord and then you end task from your task manager. All right, I don't want you to go and just close your Discord like usual, and it may make your Discord work. If that doesn't make your Discord work, then you might want to restart your PC. If restarting your PC doesn't make your Discord work, then you might want to restart your router. How do you restart your router? Unplug your router, wait for 30 seconds, and then replug your router. And these 3 sub steps may fix your issue. And if that doesn't fix your issue, then you might want to resort to the other major 3 steps. So the first major step is to delete the cache of Discord. How do you do that? You just have to press Win plus R and then you have to type percentage app data percentage and press enter. Once you come here, you will be able to see a file called Discord. Go in that file and then search for cache, not code cache. You would want to search for cache. Once you find cache, you want to go into that file, then you want to delete the cache data. Once you delete the cache data, you will want to restart the Discord and it will probably work. But if that doesn't work, then you might want to resort to the second step. The second major step is the following. I want you to go to your Windows settings, then I want you to go to network, and then I want you to find the adapter options. Once you find the adapter options, I want you to go to your adapter, right click on it, go in the properties, and then I want you to go in the Internet Protocol version 4, then I want you to go in their properties, and then I want you to change the preferred DNS server and the alternate DNS server to the following DNS server that I got in my PC. Alright, I want you to type the exact same numbers that I have inserted in here, and this will probably fix your issue. The third step, I want you to go to Win and then search for CMD. I want you to run the command as administrator. Once you're here, I want you to type the following command in here. You will also be able to find this in my description. Yeah. Once you do this, you will be able to successfully flushed all the DNS resolver cache. Once you do this, you will be able to open your Discord, but if it doesn't open, then I want you to apply a VPN. And this is not a step. This is very important, because if these steps doesn't work for you to open your Discord, then you might want to apply a VPN. Just install a VPN, apply it, and your Discord may work. And if it does work, then it means the cause is not you, the cause is not your PC, the cause is not your router, the cause is the ISP, the internet service provider. If the cause is ISP, then I might not be able to help you. So yeah, and if the Discord doesn't work after the VPN, then you might wanna reinstall the Discord. How do you reinstall the Discord? So in order to reinstall the Discord, you just have to go to the you have to right click on the Discord, you have to go to the properties, then go to open file location, and then you might want to go to local and delete Discord from here, and then you might want to go to roaming and then delete Discord from here as well. And to end it all, you might want to go to control panel, find uninstall a program, and then you might want to click on Discord and uninstall Discord. After installing Discord and reinstalling Discord, it may work. It will probably work if it's a problem within your PC. Sometimes it's also an antivirus that is blocking your Discord from opening. So it could be antivirus, it could be your Discord itself, it could be possibly be your ISP. So you gotta figure out what is the cause. Once you figure out the cause, you might want to work on it so you may fix the issue. My cause was my ISP was a bit messing up because my PC was fine, my Discord was fine. I even deleted it, and I just tried. One day I was like, all right, I'm gonna try a VPN just to think, more. And I did try with the VPN, it did work. So it is the problem with the VPN, with the ISP. So hope you were able to learn something from this video, and if you were able to learn something, then I want you to like. Yeah, I'm a very good YouTuber, aren't I? I know. Thank you.